So I tried to get in here and repair this, and this stem was stripped out, so I could not get it with my tool that you use to get these stems out. So I have this deep socket right here that I was like, my neighbor, had mentioned maybe trying that. So I could get it in there and it fit. It fit with just a socket, but see, if you see, like just for example over here, it'll only go that far, and then you wouldn't be able to get your ratchet in here. So I was trying to figure out what to do. So I got my cutting tool. These things can be really dangerous, so and so you just want to be really careful with them. But I got my cut off tool, and I said, well, let me just cut this stem, and I did, to make room for my socket. Because here's the deal: if this was seized up in there, and I wasn't able to get it out, so the only other option would be to bust out all your tile around here, or go from the other wall and come in and try to get, because that you have to, up in here is where your actual tool has to go, and that was stripped, and so anything I'd put on it, it would just twist. So anyway, I was able to get that on there. I was able to get my ratchet over here, and I could get it in there again. And I had to get my something heavy enough, a hammer, or I use my pipe wrench to hit it and bang it and bang it and bang it. And so now I'm able to get my stem out, which is great, because as you can hear just then, that's where my water's leaking out. So what I'm going to do is, and there is actually still water leaking out, so my water must not be all the way turned off. So I'm going to get my new stem and put it in here. If you notice, this one, everything is worn down pretty bad. So that's what was causing my issue of the water leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in until I have my stem ready. I don't want all that water to leak out. But as you can see, that water was just leaking here. And if you look right here, this is where the water was leaking, and it was running all the way over here and going up under here where my caulking wasn't good. So I went and caulked a little bit in there, but I have to go back and caulk some more, make sure it doesn't leak in the future. But that's what it is. I'm going to go ahead and replace the stem. Stems are easy. You just saw me screw it in. That's really all you do. You get your tool and you tighten it down, and you're good to go.